Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are going to master the sum formula for cosine. Specifically, we will learn how to expand cosine of a plus b. This is a fundamental identity that you will use frequently in calculus and physics. Before we see the correct formula, let's address the most common mistake students make. Many assume that cosine of a plus b is simply equal to cosine of a plus cosine of b. This is incorrect. Trigonometric functions are not linear, so you cannot just distribute the function like you would with multiplication. For example, cosine of 60 degrees is 0.5, but cosine of 30 plus cosine of 30 is about 1.73. They are clearly not equal. Here is the correct identity. Cosine of a plus b equals cosine a times cosine b minus sine a times sine b. Notice the structure here. The cosines stay together and the sines stay together. Most importantly, pay attention to the sign change. Even though we are adding angles inside the parenthesis, we subtract the terms in the expansion. To help you visualize this, imagine the unit circle. Angle A starts from the standard position in blue. Then, we add angle B, shown in orange, right on top of it. The total angle, a plus b, is the combination of both. The formula gives us the x-coordinate of the point where this combined angle lands. You might wonder, why do we need this complicated formula? The main power is that it allows us to find exact trigonometric values for non-standard angles. We can break down a difficult angle, like 75 degrees, into some of simpler angles like 30 and 45 degrees, which we already know the values for. Let's work through an example together. Suppose we need to find the exact value of cosine of 75 degrees. We know that 75 is equal to 45 plus 30. So, we can rewrite the problem as cosine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now it matches our formula structure. Now we substitute the values into our identity. This becomes cosine 45 times cosine 30 minus sine 45 times sine 30. Remember your unit circle values. Cosine 45 is root 2 over 2, and cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. We do the same for the sine values. Finally, we multiply the terms. Root 2 times root 3 gives us root 6, and root 2 times 1 is just root 2. Since both denominators are 4, we can combine them into a single fraction. The final exact answer is root 6 minus root 2, all over 4. This is approximately 0.2588.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.